Hey, what's up? It's genuine. So today I'm going to do something that I wasn't really even wanting to do. I'm going to put a gear indicator on my bike. For most Vulcan owners, you don't even need to do this mod because as from the 2017 model, they have it on the dash. Let's have a look. So yeah, that's what we are doing for today's mod. I don't really need it, but I figured, hey, why not? Let's just put this thing on. Let's do it. So as you can see, I already have the DC power plug, and this is just gonna be on the other side here. Looking something a little bit like that. Yeah. Probably needed that. So yeah, let's take this thing apart and see if we can fit this thing on. Should be good. Alright, I should probably follow some of this stuff, eh? Listen, I'm just gonna set you up right here so you can just watch all of this happen. Alright? It's gonna be amazing. So, here we go. Oh, right, this collar thing goes on afterwards to hold all those washers on, I guess. We've got like 2 of these little things. 2 of these. That's it. Feed that on here. And this. Nope, not that. Feed that on. Make sure that little notch goes on there like so. Where's that little notchy thing? Oh, there it is. Then you put this other rubber one on. Then we put this one on. This is the harder one. It's like beating a bracelet. And then this one. Freaking nailed this shit. Collar. Tighten this baby on. Look at that. Nailed it. Put this on. Washer. Thingy. Doobie Walker. Genius. There it is. Alright. Let's get this thing on the bike. I actually started this like last night, I think it was, and then it just got too dark and I realized that I needed like an extra set of hands. So, drum roll please.
I am the extra set of hands.
I'm just gonna take this off. Oops. Donka. Make sure you have the relay installed, because otherwise this won't work anyway.
And you have already pre-installed the relay for a different mod, yeah?
Yeah, so yeah. I put the relay in for this, so I don't need to do it. You only need to do it once.
Yeah. So you did it when you did the DC point.
That thing there. So undo these pots here. Do you see that?
It's a lot of things to take off.
I know, right? So now I'm gonna take the seat off. So.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello.
So this comes off.
Using the tool properly, I see.
Yeah. There you go. Alright, these babies here. Alright, those babies come off with a little bit of a washer. Ooh. So you need to oh, that! I was looking for that. I was looking for that last night. I could not find it anywhere. That's so funny. I'll just grab that out.
You like a little slider peg in there.
It's so funny. Same thing on this side. Comes with this bolt. It just fits in there. There's like a little hook in there that it just slides into. It is a bit hard to see. You won't be able to see it. It's just dark. Oh my god. Just a bit fiddly, this part. Wee bit fiddly. Oh my god, seriously. I can't. I don't, my fingers are too fat. It's a bolt there. That's where you screw it on in. Okay, I'm gonna undo my light bulb.
You're literally pulling every part off your bike just to put in this little gear thing.
In here maybe? Can you see in here? This part here, that needs to come off. Unplug that. Unplug this in. You're gonna lift this up. I'm gonna try and unplug that, okay? We're just gonna have to leave you down here for the moment, okay? I'll point you up. All right, now I guess we just turn it on and see if it actually lights up. So that would be pretty crazy, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Well, that would be ideal.
This is a good sign. Oh, that's freaking bright there, man. Put it all back on together, back on, and then take it for a ride and see if the thing's working. Tidy it up. Oh shit. I'm just gonna yeah, put it all back together and then I'll take it for a spin and hopefully it'll work. Because if not, we're gonna do all this again.
You've got to do all this.
It is so hot right now.
It's so freaking hot.
Oh man.
Okay, put it all back together.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, I haven't put the windscreen back on because just in case it doesn't work. So
we're gonna give it like a rolling test to see if the number, the gear number will come up when the clutch is fully out.
yeah. See, not gonna. Alright. Ready? Hey! Yeah!
So clutch in is nothing. Clutch out, gear.
Yay!
Hey! Thank you. I mean, technically it's a neutral, so it should be an N.
It's in 0. I'm gonna start calling
neutral 0.
0. It's 0. Probably want to see it like change numbers and stuff, right? So I'm gonna say like and subscribe and thanks for watching and all that sort of stuff. Now I'll put the little boop credit thing on and then yeah, stay tuned for the last little snippet. It'll just be me riding along and you can just see the numbers change. It's just gonna be so marvelous. Catch you on the next one. Thanks Rebel for helping me.
You're welcome.